Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to scan a QR code on a PC or laptop. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the QR code saved on your computer. Now, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Online QR Code Scanner and press Enter. From the search results, open the first QR code scanner website. Once the website opens, click on the Scan Now button. Then click the Browse button to upload your QR code. Select the QR code image from your computer and upload it. Wait a few moments while the website scans the QR code. After the scan is complete, the decoded link or information will appear on the right side of the screen. Click on the link to open the website or view the content stored in the QR code. And that's how you can quickly scan any QR code on your PC or laptop without using a mobile phone. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.